10 Thai lacrons for beginners. While Thailand is known for its tourist destination, awesome people, and delicious food, did you know that Thai film industry has many lacrons that can make you a Thai drama fan? With increasing number of subtitles, these dramas are gaining popularity in many countries. With an average of 20 episodes, they can make a place in your heart. If you want to watch the lacrons with English subtitles, check out the links in the description below. If you want more content like this, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get regular updates.
ทิศด้วยนะฉันไปละ
เดี๋ยวคุณ
Number 1 in our list is Kluyen Chivit, a famous and hardworking actress. Jirawit, who is constantly surrounded by rumors, is drugged by her stepfather and hits a young man. The woman's fiance is a lawyer and owes to get justice for her death. He bothers and hates Jirawit but eventually finds out her good nature. With excellent acting and a love and hate story, the drama is one of the most viewed Thai lacrons around the globe. Number 2, Game Saneha, also known by the name Game of Love. The lacron follows the love story between a rich spoiled brat and a gentle young man. Nog, the rich and spoiled daughter, gets upset when her parents decide to get divorced. Nai, her mother's distant relative, starts living with them. She tries to hurt him by playing the game of love.
คนเมาเขามีแต่จะหลับเท่านั้นแหละแล้วก็อย่าหวังนะว่าจะได้เห็นขาอ่อนใช่ง่าย
ไม่เอามา
เอาค่ะ
โอเคไปก็ได้
ไปไหนคะไปทำบุญร่วมชาติตักบาตรร่วมขัน
ไปก็ได้พรุ่งนี้
Number 3 in our list is My Husband-in-Law. May is a talented young innocent girl who has been crushing over Thane for 7 years, who is oblivious to her feelings. Thane's mother forces him to marry May when he sleeps with the mobster's wife. He teases and humiliates her, even knowing her feelings for him. But when she decides to leave him, he is not ready to leave her.
จะจีบพี่ขวัญ
และถ้าผมบอกว่าใช่อะ
ทำไมต้องเป็นพี่มันก็มาจากผู้หญิงคนนั้นอะนี่คุณทำอะไรอะปล่อยนะนี่คุณปล่อยนะ
Number 4 Heart of Stone. Thor, child of a mistress, is forced to live with his stepmother when his mother dies. He jumps into the river trying to escape from his evil stepmother and is assumed to be dead. Years later, he comes back as Sila to avenge his mother. While revenge is his goal, he did not expect to see his childhood friend who identifies him. He stays away from her to achieve his goal, but she is determined to prove his existence. The drama is packed with action, suspense, and romance.
ขอบใจมากนะ เธอเก่งมากเลยอ่ะ ฉันชื่อตะหลิว ชื่อน่ารักรู้สึกแบบนี้เลยจริงๆ
Number 5 Kiss Me, a remake of the most popular Korean drama Playful Kiss. You might fall in love with this version more because of the acting and chemistry between the couple. A cute and a cheesy romance that develops between Talu, a clumsy girl, and the genius Guy Tenton. If you want a light-hearted watch, this one is for you.
เฮ้ยกดผมดูเองพี่ไม่เป็นไร
Number 6 Sand Princess. If you are a fan of love triangles, this one is for you. Kuntipa is an orphan who befriends Jirapat, the son of rich household. She accepts money from him to help him with his chores. When Jirapat impregnates a girl, he gives money to Kuntipa and tells her to raise the baby. Jirapat's elder brother gets to know this and marries her to save family's reputation. Torn between the brothers, her love gets tested.
เป็นวันแต่งงานของคุณวัฒนาและคุณศักดา ผมและภรรยาก็จะร้องเพลงเพื่อมอบ
สุขมากที่สุด
Number 7. You're My Destiny. Well, we all love an accidental pregnancy story. This one has a lot of funny moments. A rich businessman gets drugged and sleeps with a cute innocent girl. He is forced to marry her when he finds out she is pregnant. He gradually falls in love with her, but things get complicated when his girlfriend returns. This T-drama is a remake of the Korean drama Fated to Love You.
ฮะไม่ได้หรอ
Number 8. Full House, a cheesy romantic lacron that gets you into the Mike fan club. A writer enters into a contract marriage with a famous actor to get her house back, but love creeps into the couple, leaving us with romantic moments and kisses.
ไม่ใช่ เสร็จจากนี้ต้องไปทำงานกันต่ออย่ามาอู้
Number 9. The Crown Princess, a self-righteous and bold heiress, is sent to Thailand when her life is in danger. A navy man who never cares about women and who doesn't need love is assigned as a bodyguard to the heiress. Two opposite people come together and love heals them.
กาลเกต
วันนี้แม่มาลิมาหาค่ะ
The last one on our list is Love Destiny. It's hard to find a good fantasy drama, but this one is a gem and ranks one of the best among T-dramas. A time-traveling story when a budding archaeologist named Kate gets into the body of a woman who lives in 17th century. The woman was engaged to Date, who despises her. The woman wakes up as a completely different person with Kate inside her. Date starts falling in love with her. The story is well written and is filled with interesting facts about history, and you can get to know more about Thailand.